Alright guys, welcome to the channel. Welcome to another Genesis Coupe driving POV. So I'm out here at the park. It's filled up. Way too many people recording. It's 12:37 p.m. right now. This is Dallas, Texas area, so the solar eclipse will be coming right over the spot. It's actually happening right now. And that lady's yelling at that man. He crossed in front of me. I don't know if he has some health issues, elderly man. She's screaming at him, trying to get him back in the truck. Don't know what's going on there. But anyway, I'll aim it up, but I'm not gonna look yet. So I have my glasses in the car. So basically, I'm gonna record the clip. I'll do like 5-6 minute video clips, and you know, sort of a little time lapse. I don't record the entire time. And so 12. Like I said, 12:38 right now. After this, I'm gonna do a driving POV. I'm gonna go to, I think it's Taqueria La Ventana. I don't know if I said that correctly. It's supposed to be one of the top-rated Mexican restaurants in Dallas, Texas. So I'll go there out here. I've never been, and I will compare the food to see. I'm just gonna get, like I said, burrito. Try the chicken quesadilla, get a side order, rice, keep it simple, basic. I'm pretty simple and basic with the Mexican food. But I want to see if the food will be as good as the Mexican food in Arizona or, you know, Southern California, Los Angeles, right? Well, that's where I've had the best Mexican food at. The best burrito Mexican food I've had, though, is a place called Aliberto's Mexican Restaurant. That's in, it was on Route 66 out there in Arizona. So anyway, stay tuned for the POV. Let me know if anyone wants to see more driving POVs of the Genesis Coupe. This is a 2016 3.8 Genesis Coupe. It's completely stock. I got the car. Family helped me get it. I got it when I was still going to school. That was in 2017 and 2018. So I've had the car since then. I try to keep it in good condition and stock. But I'm hoping to save enough money someday to sell the car. And honestly, I want to get a BMW G87 M2. That's the goal someday. Don't know if it'll ever happen, but I'm trying. So anyway, if you're here, thanks for watching. So I'm going to jump over to my Eclipse video next with my camera set up and everything. I'll try to record as best I can with that. But yeah. This video is going straight into the driving POV after this. So, let's drive. I could.
I do like it.
One on the floor there and one on the
Winded.
I can feel my chest going back. I take it to
What? Do what?
You're funny.
like, what the fuck?
Goodness.
She got scared. Excited.
Traffic.
You're stuck in traffic. You're stuck in traffic.
Harder. The need for speed.
Yes, and then some. It's an adrenaline rush right there.
The car's not that fast though. It's like I'm just used to it.
Wait, little body says it's fast.
I need a faster car.
No.
So hope I get a G87 M2 someday. Now I need at least 700 horsepower a day.
Infinity and beyond.
Buzz Lightyear.
Yeah, no, the car Infinity. Like Rider. The only car that talks to you. Hi, Master. Yes, Master. Duck down and yes, I'm Master. Woo! Suck a lot of. What's your name, girl? Suck a lot of what? Suck a lot of car. We bought the right fish because we hungry.
Goodness.
I'll make sure everything's intact.
Oh my god.
She gets excited. I gotta tell her to calm the fuck down. Look, there's a, oh my god, tacos.
Nah, going to a better place right now. Hopefully it's better.
Do you want a puffy taco, sir? She comes with the old bag. Look at that fat chick. Did you wear the fat ass? I bet she got fat ass. Over to lose it, buddy. Taking all your groceries.
Dallas traffic, and everyone's here right now because of the eclipse. So.
Yeah, they laid it $1 short already though.
Like the cloud literally covered the eclipse right at the moment.
I know, I saw
It was like,
that
what the
shit.
heck?
Oh.
But the guy next to me, he gave me his YouTube channel.
Yeah?
He got some good drone shots. He does commercials, so I made a connection with him. He was next to me.
Ooh, see?
I know a few guys that do like connections and everything, so
Yeah, that's it. Get the hook up.
they usually do have drones, like people who are in commercial. But
But it did. I was like,
it was his shot. He captured it right at the moment.
the
too.
cloud covered the whole thing.
Right at
God
just for a
damn
few
it.
seconds, like a few minutes. It was.
And that's all it took. That's all it took. And that's all she wrote.
I was like, "Welcome to Dallas area. It sucks."
I was at Target. I was at fucking Target, and the fucking eclipse was happening. Oh well, there'll be another one. And another turn of the century, probably.
demonetized.
My headlights are coming out. No. Down, girl. Behave yourself. Lefty loosey, righty tighty, behave. Now get back in the saddle again. Oh, I didn't bring no lipstick for that dipstick. Woo! Come on, come on. The baby. You gotta see the baby, Jerry. I saw that girl with her cheeks sticking out. I said, "Oh my God."
Oh my goodness.
I know you're gonna see that shit. I know you're gonna see when you get. I was thinking that you were gonna see her, but you got. You sure did. Can't miss Shamu shit. Everybody need love, right? Everybody need a bit of love. Woo! Ain't going nowhere.
There's an Altima up there.
What?
Driving like a race car. It's always a Nissan Altima.
It's always a Nissan. You know why? 'Cause
The
those are good
the
cars.
worst car drivers on the planet. Nissan Altima.
Or
Dude,
Teslas.
I record them too.
Teslas are bad cars.
Teslas, those are the second worst. And Prius
They'll
drivers.
explode. Yeah, they will explode in a heartbeat. Once you hit
I don't want a
it,
Tesla. I don't like electric cars. So.
I don't like plugging in shit. That's just my
And then
toy.
all the AI crap's gonna take over.
Oh, yeah.
Take over.
And it's gonna be parked for a minute. No, Mister. They're good in our way.
You got it.
That's not even a real car, right?
Wow.
He needs some parking.
Well, Mustang boys.
Oh, he's driving the days.
Oh my goodness, bro. I think it's coming up.
Because that basketball was good when we went to
Yeah, Mikosina.
Right?
Yeah, it's called Mikosina.
Yeah, Mikosina. My kids.
It's still not the best Mexican food I've had,
Who
but
want to raise their ham? No. No, I know it's good. It was fucking awesome. And there was a lot of food too.
yeah. Yeah, it was the best food I've had in a while, you know,
That's good.
since 2023, last May.
Yeah.
And I was out in LA though.
LA.
That's where LA and Arizona, best Mexican food I've had.
Yeah. We're
But,
probably East LA. And them gorditas.
Looking for the
Out of the closet.
Yeah, I've never been through
It's
here.
a thrift store. Look, junkies. it's junkies.
Junkie?
They got some junkies.
Oh, look at this place. They're partying over here.
Ooh, let's go. Oh, that's the bar on the patio. That's the place we need to go. Everybody gets along there.
There's a Kohl's down here. Not a Kroger's.
Kohl's.
There's a Kroger's down here. I'm looking for.
Oh, no, down here.
Yeah, I've never been over here.
Look, tacos y más.
There's a Kroger's over here. It's right there. And I'm gonna turn around.
There's a lot of nail and bar. You know that? You know why? Because they started drinks at the nail parlor.
See, I've never been down here.
Wasted, so you could like spend more money.
Yeah, this street's like a tiny bit of San Francisco, LA, but
This is just a little feminine. Look
Little
at the,
bit,
look at the rainbow
tiny
on
bit.
the patio back there. See that flag hanging on the patio? Go, baby, go. I like that. No violence. Stop the violence.
yeah, I'm gonna turn around here.
But there's Kroger's.
Yep, that's where I'm going. I was going to park here, but I found space and like way back here. So. All right, you drive.